Okay, in this video, we're going to learn how to make the inside zip um, pocket. And we've already made the side pocket here, and we're going to make the zip pocket. So I'm going to show you how it is done. Plus, I've also added some stitching lines here. And so let's just start with this. Okay, now the first thing that I want to do here is I'll just create I'll be on the purple layer, and I'll create a rectangle and a rounded rectangle for the zip opening. And here I'll just take the rounded rectangle from here. I'll just start from this end and just go about here and just make a rectangle like this. Okay, and another thing that I would do is probably if you have deleted the pocket, the double pocket, in my case I have deleted the double pocket. So what I'm going to do is I would have to copy this, and I would have to paste this. So that ways I would have two layers, so two poly surfaces. And to this one I'll just take this, and I'll go in this direction, this perspective, and I'll trim this, select it, and select the poly. So we'll do this. I'll select the surface, the cutting edge, the cutting surface. Okay, and then use the trim command by left mouse and click on the poly surface. So I have two surfaces, one on this end and one on the other end as well. So once I've done, click enter, and I will remove this one because I don't need this one. I just need this one. And now I'm just going to take these lines. So this one, I'll just select it, and we'll go into the default. So I have already just select this one. First select this pocket. Let's just select this pocket first, and let's see where this layer is actually. So I'll go over here. I had already created a zip pocket. So this is my zipper, and so this is a zipper pocket layer. So I'll just make sure that this is in the zipper layer, and I'll go into the over here, and I'll hide the purple line because I don't want to see it. Okay, now I'll take this one, and I'll bring a thickness to this. So here, instead of doing offset, I'll go to the thickness section, go to on, and add a surface from here, click enter. So get a surface like this. And what I'm going to do here is I just want to select this one. So I just want to see this one. So I'll just select it. And now we're going to be adding the zipper here. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to just go to curve and go to curve from object and extract an isocurve and select one line from here and put it in the center, like I can see from here. Just see if I can drag a mid on the surface. That'll be great. Yeah. So here is going to be my where I'm going to add the wires of the zip, and we're gonna take rounded rectangle. I'm gonna take from here and click somewhere around the curve. Let's click it here and just see rounded rectangle around curve. Click on the curve. Let's see like this, and just make a line like this and just give it a curve. So we do have this line here. Now I can go to surface and extrude curve and straight. So I basically selected both sides, yes, and direction I want it in this direction only. Click Alt so that I can adjust the size, and this is about it. This is how much I want. Now let's see, like where my, so maybe it's coming here. So I'll just shift it a bit like this and push it out like this. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'll click on this line, and maybe because I want a steel look to it, so I've created a steel layer and give it a different color, and I will copy this, paste it, and take one line here and make sure it goes down like this. So I'll just select this, and now I can select both of these, and I need to make sure that this line goes here, and I'll select both of these, click on array curve. This is my baseline, and keep the distance as 3. Let's see, and click OK. Okay, so this distance 3 did not work. So what I can do is I can do Control Z and right click on array curve, click on my base point, and here I keep the distance as, let's say, 1, and then see, yeah, I think this is perfect. Okay, now the next thing that I want is, after creating this, I would have to create a ziplock, but I'll just create a stitching line on the edges. So to do that, what I can do is I'll duplicate the edge. So I'll go to curve from object, and I'll duplicate the edge. So this is the edge that I want to duplicate, and I'll click enter. Now I'll go to scale 3D, and since my edge is already selected, so let's say we select it again. So just go over here, this is the edge that I've selected. Now let's see, let's try the scale 3D. So basically I want it out like this. and I can use the gumball and just push it a little out like this. Now here in a similar fashion, you just need to add your stitching line. So if you want to adjust this a bit, you can adjust it. Okay. Now I'll select the sphere and click around curve. So this is the curve that I want. So I'll select it from here, select here and click 1 and click enter.